This Republican budget is not very good for the city of Hartford. We worked hard the last couple of years to do something around our car taxes in the city of Hartford. We worked hard with our colleagues on both sides of the aisles to cap the mill rate at 37 mills, which basically gave the residents of Hartford a tax break. This Republican budget takes that out. We also, in this budget, it hurts a lot of our students in the city of Hartford. Over 700 children receive about $1.7 million from the Roberta Willis Scholarship Fund. All that money has been removed from the Republican budget. Hartford is the capital city. Yes, it's having its financial difficulties, but the Republican budget offers only $7 million in support for the capital city. Without a vibrant capital city, our state will be in shambles. And if Hartford's first, the other communities will be next. And what that also does is affect the whole entire state of Connecticut, because if Hartford's bond rating is continuing to lower, the state's bond rating will also be lower.
We realize that the budget that the GOP put forth would really hurt and decimate many municipalities throughout the state. We talked about education, you talk about the mental health, you talk about all of the services that support not only Hartford, not only the capital city, but those districts throughout the state of Connecticut. And so the narrative that our colleagues, the Republicans, have put forth is one that, hey, just because you all have not put a budget forth, ours is better. I think now it's time for each of us on both sides of the aisle, all four caucuses, to come together and really negotiate and talk about the people whose lives have been impacted by this budget or lack thereof. So today we're just putting out a call. We're letting folks know that a veto or an override on this last budget is just disheartening.
This budget is really hurting our city. It's not helping our city. Hartford is in bad shape. We all know that. And the budget with the state is this budget that the Republicans put in is not going to help Hartford at all. And I am in support. I will ask that there will be no override. I support the governor on this veto. I support my colleagues, and I've been getting a lot of phone calls from many agencies that provide services to our neighborhood, to the poorest people in this town that are about to lose their jobs. And that's going to be sad. People in our city are not going to be able to provide those services to the people that really need those services here in this city because of this budget.